Photoshop action is used for automating some tasks. Hi, today we are going to see how to work with Photoshop action. You will find Photoshop action under Window and under 3D. Here you will find action. Click on it and a new panel will appear like this. Here is the all of the action is default is saved by Photoshop. Vintage, frame channel and so more. You can record your own Photoshop action by click on begin record or click on this and new action. If I want to record a simple action, I'll just simply go to new action and I will rename it posterize image. And then if I open the layer panel and go to the solid setting and click on posterize, this effect will posterize the apple, and I just simply keep it level to 2. It's look weird, so I'm going for 3 and 3 is okay for me. So I will just close it and again I'm opening the action panels and stopping the action. So my action is created. Here is the posterize image action. So now if I delete the posterize effect and go to the action panel, and if I click on posterize image and play it, I click on this, here it is. It will automatically added the posterize effect over the apple image. So this is how you can use actions in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.